Hello, I'm going to show you now how to use something called a quick part. Now, a quick part is it's essentially a programmable library of content that you can reuse in any email you want. So if we take the email that's in front of me right now, can you see I'm sending an email to John and I'm saying, please come to our address. Now, it might be the case that I'm constantly typing into various emails the address of where people need to come to for meetings. Now, this is something that screams out for you to create a quick part, because a quick part allows you to save content and then reuse it on future emails. Now, how this works, it's really simple. You drag over the content, you then go to insert at the top, and there's an option here called quick parts just there. Now, at the moment, there's nothing in here because I've not previously saved any quick parts. Now, one thing to keep in mind is if you like this idea, this is also in Word, just to make you aware. But pop the arrow down, click onto Save Selection to Quick Part Gallery. Now, it's going to pop this sort of screen up here, the lion's share of which, just for the purpose of this, I would ignore. This is all configuration information. The most important part is the name. So I'm going to call this one, here we go, main office address. Reason why that bit's important is because if you start using this on a regular basis, the name, number one, it puts the list of content into alphabetical order by the name, so that's one thing to be aware of. But if you've got lots of content that looks fairly similar, a good name is quite important so you can distinguish. But once I'm ready, click OK. And let's say we were writing this email and we realise we need to type the address in. Rather than having to type it, if I go to Insert, pop down the arrow that says Quick Part, can you see there is main office address? And then I click, and can you see it drops that content in there? So you can have, let's say you've got 15 different sites. They could all be loaded into this list as different site addresses that you can just really quickly drop in. Or this could be whole emails, 10 pages of text. It can even be diagrams, it can be pictures. It's whatever you want it to be. Now, if you want to remove something from the quick parts, let's say you no longer want to have the main office address in there, you simply right click, select organize and delete, and then you click delete at the bottom, confirm it with yes, close it down, and then can you see the quick parts are now open. But that is how you can save content in as a quick part so you can reuse it on any email you want in the future.